Okay guys, this was a blunder. Here, let me see if I can get more. As you can see, I got my tarp up. On that side is not bad. That side's a little bit floppy, but not too bad. But look what happens in the middle. It's really not even blocking. I gotta redesign this thing. So the problem is with these poles, they're going inside this, and then they're actually going a little bit under the floor. So even though it was 7 foot, but it's losing at least half a foot by doing that minimum. If I get maybe a 4x4 post, and then it can go there as well, it's gonna be, I think I measured up to about here. If I can make the top taut or tight, then I think it will cover, just about cover that light all the way. And from here, from down here, an extra foot would cover that light as well. So anyway, I gotta redesign it. The problem is, I can't really put a pole or anything over there, because if I do a pole all the way, like on the bottom, the top, the sides, I'll never be able to compact it or compress it, I think. I'm gonna have to redesign it, I think, unless I kind of do this part, all one piece, like one piece, and then 2-piece separate. So this is all one piece right now. And if I get two, like another one of these bricks right beside it, then I can have this as one piece that I can roll up. No, I can't roll it if I do the top and the bottom like taut or with another pole. It's gonna be tricky. Okay, I'll figure something out. Okay guys, so to find M15, first you gotta find the square, the great square of Pegasus, and then you follow this line here, and as you see, M15 is actually not too far away from that star over there. Now, I have said before why the Rigel and this is a Telrad, but a Rigel is very similar, are the best finders you could ever get. In the sky, all you do is you see the distance there. It's almost like that, the second ring. In the sky, it's not going to be quite that small because the sky distances are about double. So, but at least you know it's like that middle ring. And so it's probably going to be to the outer ring, and that would be close enough. Or you can just guess it like this. Boom. Okay guys, so I am positive this is M15, which is a globular cluster. Don't know if I can get it any focused better. Now again, I'm just using the cell phone. But just to show you guys from the city, you can do it. Let's see if I can. And I'm using a Dobson, which I lost it. Well, unfortunately, I'm using the Dobson, which means it's very easy to lose tracking. And then using a small cell phone, it doesn't work. But that little glow there, this is from a white zone. And my blocker did not work. But at least it can't, and there are some clouds up there. There's Jupiter up there, and then there's Mars up there. You can do cell phone astronomy. Let's try something else. Hey guys, I just wanted to add, in the eyepiece is actually, it looked actually pretty decent. Like you could tell, it was a globular cluster, but in a cell phone, it was just a big haze. So just remember you guys, in the eyepiece is gonna be much, much better than in the cell phone. Okay, so to find M34, you either find Perseus, constellation, or this is Andromeda here. This is the big part here, and then it starts the square. So this is just a continuation of Andromeda, or the square would be down below here. Like that. So there, and Perseus is up here. Anyway, let's go back here. So you either find this constellation or that constellation, and it's just, again, a little bit off that way. Again, you could use the tail rad. Now in the dark, the tail rad will be much more visible. So you just kind of go here. It looks like it's the biggest circle, but in the sky might be a circle and a half. Okay, so here's the star cluster M34. I got it. You guys can obviously see it. So again, just showing you in a Dobsonian. It can be done. I don't know if I can blow it up. I am using, I believe, a 26 millimeter Super Plazo. 32 might actually be better, but I'm not sure I'm gonna get it back. Just blowing it up a little bit more. What you guys have to do when it's this cold in December is you have to go outside. I probably was out there for about 45 minutes, get inside, warm up for another 20 to 30 minutes, then go out for another session. Otherwise, you freeze. Sometimes with the gloves on, you like touching the focuser, touching, let's say, the cell phone, it's not gonna work with your gloves. You gotta take them off and then you get cold. So come in and out, drink a hot beverage, warm up a bit, and then go back outside. Hey guys, so hopefully you enjoyed that. So there are different items to see in the city if you have like a 12-inch. And again, remember, look at all these, even though I built my blockers, kind of, I still got lots of street lights here. So if you have no street lights and that type of thing, you'll have better success. Or if you're in an area that has absolutely no street lights and you're adapted, you could even use a little bit smaller, like maybe 10-inch or 8-inch that would compare to this, since I got so much lights. Anyway, I'll see you guys after. Joe Jaguar, like, comment, and subscribe. Why not you? Why not me?